Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 92. Got our earnings last night. Yesterday was a historic night for me, especially since I started. The day we had yesterday was a high day, but we haven't had a high day like this uh, since I've had this amount of money, at least over 20 grand in my account. So, what I'm referring to is if I go here, check the bell notification. And there it is, guys. 0.87% on the money I have invested. I made $153.61 in one day. That's the single highest day I've had in S Group since I joined in October of 2020 in terms of earning money, not in terms of percentage. In November of 2020, we had a 3.1% day. It was unbelievable. But at the time, I only had about $300 in the account, so I didn't make a huge amount. So just think if I have a 3.1% day, I'm going to make around $600, guys, in one day. It is possible. It's very rare, but yesterday was a good day. Usually we average around 0.4, 0.5. So as you see, 0.87. Trade day yesterday, $153.61, guys. And yeah, if you guys want to be a part of this, man, where you can just make some money passively on the side, and you don't have to worry about trading and looking at markets and graphs and stuff like that, you got to join S Group, guys, because everything is done on autopilot automatically. All you have to do is have money in your account, and you can start making earnings like this on a day-by-day basis. You see, I got a new partner on my team. Those are the last few days. See, that's the money I've made in the last few days, guys. So this was yesterday. Today is Friday. We haven't earned yet. We're going to be earning about another 2 hours from now from the time I record this video. So I just want to let you guys know about that. I want to show you my results. So if I go down to my investments page, I'll show you guys how I'm doing in the Forex market. In 9 days, I made $894.52. Plus, I have some commissions up here, so I have that in there as well. So I've made about $926 or $925, somewhere around there, guys. I've made that in 9 days. So today's day 10. So as you see, I'm pretty much averaging over with my bonus, of course. But even if you take my bonus away from my team members, I'm averaging $894 in 9 days. Or sorry, not averaging. That's how much I've earned. $894 in 9 days. So I'm averaging just shy of $100 a day, guys, in USD, all on autopilot. So what I'm going to do after today, hopefully we have another day around $100. That'd be great. Whatever, but I'm going to be taking 400 of this monthly income that's here that you see, and I'm going to reinvest it back into the system here. So you see the 22,800. That's now going to, if you add on $400 to that, that should read 23,200. So that's where I'm going to be after in the next about 3 hours from now. That's when I'll be able to. Sorry, not 3 hours, 2 hours from now, because it's 6:30. We get our earnings at 8, and this is all Central Time. And usually the system opens up for combining your deposits, making a reinvestment, making a withdrawal, usually about 30 minutes after the earnings come in. So yeah, so that's going to be 23,200, and this is going to go reset down to zero. So the remainder after 400 is what I'm going to do a withdrawal on, guys. And I'm going to pull the money out from here in S Group. It's going to go to their S wallet, which is just their Bitcoin wallet that they have. Once it's in there, I'm going to convert it to Bitcoin, switch it to my ShakePay account that I have, and it's a digital currency wallet that we have here in Canada. Once it's there in Bitcoin format, I'm going to convert it to Canadian dollars, and then I'm going to e-transfer it to my checking account. So that's the whole procedure. Yeah, it's quite about maybe a 5-6 step process to get it all over into from here to my checking account, but it is what it is, and usually takes me about 2.5 hours to do a full withdrawal from start to finish. So all right, guys, so I'm getting close to the end of my daily 5-minute review video. If you want to sign up underneath S Group, click on the link below in the description to sign up and join underneath my team. I'll help you through everything. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button at the bottom of my channel. You can be informed of everything that my account is doing. You can see my growth. All right. See you guys next video. Thank you.